What's going on with Aunt Cathie?
Yeah, so Aunt Cathie ended up selling a bunch of Chinese stocks, and I think this is very telling. I've had a lot of people come to me, and I thought that this would be an important topic to bring up because the Chinese companies like Baba, JD.com, Pinduoduo, DIDI, you name it, Neo even, they all started tanking, not just this past week, but even today. I think I saw Baba down another 5%, even though it's continued to get beaten down. I do want to clarify, because I remember saying this in mentorship this morning, but she didn't sell all of them, but she sold significant amounts. And so she sold, Cathie Wood of ARK Investments, so sold out of the ARK F, ARK X ETF, Baba, a shit ton of it. It was, let's see here, I'm looking at the numbers, 99,797 shares were sold out of ARK F and ARK X and Baba, it looks like. And then, and this is according to Benzinga. So, and there's all kinds of other ones that she sold out of. And so this is really significant, Fat Man Zoom, because it's not that. So China's claiming that this has a lot to do with transparency and data, and they're kind of trying to see, almost mimicking what the U.S. has been trying to do with social media platforms. But we know what the underlying reason is here, and it has to do everything with control as far as China's concerned. And it looks like Cathie Wood's reading the writing on the wall here. She doesn't want any parts of that. And there's a lot of other bigger investors that are too. It's not that Baba isn't a great company, or that Pinduoduo isn't a great company, or JD.com isn't a great company. It's just that they are now under the thumb of the Chinese government, and it's hurting those companies, and investors don't want anything to do with it. It's continually becoming painful, and it's all coming to a head at this point.
Yeah, I think the question that at least our crew keeps asking is it a buy? You know, I think some people are going to be critical of Cathie Woods for getting out. I understand the move, and I'm sure you understand the move. I don't think she's necessarily saying it's not a buy. I think she's just saying, I'm not willing to deal with it.
Yeah.
Right? Like, let's just cut our losses. Who's going to know? I imagine if you ask her over the long term how she feels about China, I think she's going to say, I'm bullish.
Yeah.
The problem is there's just too much uncertainty, and there's too much manipulation. And so why would you want to deal with that volatility? If you have a longer time horizon, I think Baba's a buy. I actually would get into it in my longer term investment account. I'm just not ready yet.
Yeah.
Because you're going to hear about U.S.-China tensions. You're going to hear about this manipulation. Ultimately, Baba is at an absolute bargain.
Yeah.
But you just got to wait. You just got to wait. You got to be patient.
It is a bargain, but there's no floor to this just yet. Like, it has yet to have bottomed out, and that's the scary part, is that as great of a company as this is, from a revenue standpoint, from a valuation standpoint, along with the other ones as well, you know, it's like there still has yet to have been any kind of bottom whatsoever. It just continually sells off every single day, it seems. So until there's some sort of consolidation or the bleeding stops, I think it's just all of them you just kind of stay away from at this point.
Yeah.